Hello everyone. Today we have here Mr. Khalid Siddiqui. He's the principal here of Diploma at Bapu Gujarat Knowledge Village, and he will be answering some of our questions today. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. So the first question I would like to ask you is, being the principal of this institute, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
According to me, the leadership is not to order any work or any work. Here, I am doing the leadership as I keep all the faculties. We move together, we work together. Ultimately, the goal is that the work has to be done, right? So we expect the faculties in the return back the work has to be done. So we follows the same rules that whatever I am giving the work to any of the faculties, they are written it back to be completed. So according to me, the leadership is not to give the order, but we always work together.
So being a principal, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your college?
The basics, the main things in the institutes are the teachings. So in administrations and for marketings, for admissions, it is the mouth to the mouth publicity of the students. So whatever the students of the pass out student, or you can say alumni students, they are doing the mouth to mouth publicity to their juniors. So most of the admissions we are getting 70% from mouth to mouth publicity, and the remainings we are posting our advertisement in the Facebook, then WhatsApp. We are doing the SMS to the students, and then we are calling the students and giving the informations about our institutes. So this way we are doing the admission strategy in our institute.
So, sir, in your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here in your institute?
The students here learns a lot because in our institute it is located far away from the rural area. So you can see the institutes are located in the greenery. The infrastructures are the bigger. We are providing the good labs to the student for their practical knowledge. We have the master's degree faculties here who will teach us very good to the students. So they are gaining a lot.
Sir, so any insights into how your institute could be more welcoming to students of different races or economic backgrounds?
Yes. So as the motive of the Bapu Shri, that if any students who are weaker in the economical ways, so we are providing the scholarship to that students. We are giving some concessions in the fees. So the aim, the motive of the Bapu Shri, here we are fulfilling. And also we in the diploma, most of the students are from SC/ST students. So we are providing them the good educations here. Then we are giving the hostels, which are the free of the cost for them. We are providing the foods, and which will means a lot. And that's why the most of the students are taking the admissions in our institute, especially the SC/ST students.
Yes, sir. So what do you think your roles and responsibility to the institute and the students are?
Yes, being the principals, the responsibilities are quite large. I am in these positions. We have to look after everything. That before the starting of the semesters, we are making the plan how to teach and how to take the lab sessions so that the student will gain more from it. So we are planning before the starting of the semesters accordingly, and also we are making the timetables. We are putting some of the innovations club also in the timetables, as well as we are putting the sports days also, so that the students can show their talents in physical way also.
Sir, when you first came to Bapu Gujarat Knowledge Village, what was your vision for the institute? Has it evolved over time? And how far along in implementing that vision are you?
When I joined this institute in 2009, the motive of the Bapu Shri that they are much keen about the educations. His aim was to make the students stand in the market, and just because of this Bapu GKV. So ultimately the goal is our goal is to get the pass out to the student from this institute, and they can settle better in the industry.
So, sir, what would you like people to know about your institute that they may not know?
Actually, in the market, the name of the Bapu GKV is from the teaching and the staffs. So we are very punctual in the teachings. We are conducting all the lectures and the lab in the punctual way. So for me, that in the market, the name itself for the Bapu GKV is for the teaching and the staff. Yes, all the at last I will say about the infrastructures, which is the very greenery and the peaceful area.
Sir, what do you see as your institute's greatest strengths?
In the greatest strength, I can say that we have the good staffs, we have the good teams here. So we all are under the Bapu Shris, right? So the Bapu Shris, the managements, which is the greatest strength in our institute. Then the directors, he's the very friendly natures, right? Whatever we are demanding, right, he always fulfills. So also when the students came for any request, right, so we are providing up to the mark.
Okay, sir.
These are the greatest strength: the teaching, the infrastructures, right, locations.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your insight. It was a very insightful interview. Thank you for this interaction.